Hey Gadget Goals viewers, today we've got some amazing products that are going to make your life a whole lot easier and more fun. If you're all about discovering the latest tech that can simplify your everyday routine, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and see which of these gadgets might just change your life. Let's start with something small, but super practical. This shoe laundry bag is designed to protect your sneakers or everyday shoes during a machine wash. It has a fluffy padded interior and a strong zipper, so your shoes don't get scuffed or beat up. A must-have for sneakerheads or anyone who wants their kicks to stay fresh. Tired of holding your phone or tablet during long calls or Netflix binges? This foldable stand is your new go-to. It's adjustable, stable, and surprisingly compact. Perfect for desks, kitchens, or even your bedside table. Whether you're working, studying, or just scrolling, you'll love the comfortable viewing angles and hands-free experience. Plus, it folds flat, so you can throw it in your bag and take it anywhere. This isn't your average cutting board. One side features food-grade titanium steel, perfect for slicing meat or fish, while the flip side is great for veggies or fruits. It's sturdy, non-slip, and easy to clean. Durable enough for serious cooks, stylish enough for any kitchen. Say goodbye to burning hot car seats. This foldable windshield umbrella pops open just like a regular umbrella and blocks sunlight and UV rays from heating up your car interior. It folds away in seconds and is built to last, perfect for every season. Blend on the go. This mini portable blender has 6 stainless steel blades and is strong enough to crush ice and frozen fruits. Ideal for smoothies, protein shakes, or fresh juice. Just charge it via USB and blend anytime, anywhere. Say goodbye to language barriers. This little device pairs via Bluetooth and helps translate conversations in real time. Whether you're traveling, shopping abroad, or meeting international friends, this is like having a personal interpreter in your pocket. This sleek dehumidifier is ideal for bathrooms, closets, or even under your kitchen sink. It silently absorbs moisture to help prevent mold and odors, and the color indicator lets you know exactly when to recharge. It's reusable, efficient, and perfect for small spaces. Bring luxury hotel vibes to your home. This diffuser spreads essential oil scents through cold air. No water, no mess. It's quiet, super sleek, and doesn't add moisture to your room. Just clean fragrance that elevates any space. Your legs deserve a spa day. This leg massager uses air compression to help improve blood flow and reduce muscle fatigue. It's perfect for people who are on their feet all day or just want to unwind at the end of one. Multiple pressure levels and a simple remote make it easy to find your sweet spot. Want fresh herbs year-round? This indoor garden grows plants using hydroponics. No soil needed. It has smart LED lights and a self-watering system so you can grow basil, parsley, even cherry tomatoes in your kitchen. It's clean, efficient, and kind of magical. Stressed out? This one's for you. This smart neck massager offers deep tissue kneading and soothing heat compression. Control it easily through the My Home app and enjoy full customization. With NFC pairing, it connects instantly to your device. It's like having a personal masseuse anytime you need it. And finally, the ultimate home cinema experience in your pocket. The Aurzen portable projector delivers crystal clear images up to 150 inches. It supports 4K input, has built-in stereo sound, and connects wirelessly to your devices. Great for movie nights, outdoor parties, or even business presentations. So which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on Gadget Goals.